There is a quote in Frank Herbert's Dune: "Fear is the mind killer. It is the little death that causes total obliteration. I will face my fear. I will permit it to pass over me and through me. And I will turn my inner eye to see its path. Where the fear is gone, there will be nothing. Only I will remain." This is actually really good advice for business owners. Every now and then we come across something which is paralyzing. Something bad happens, we have an incident. And if we become paralyzed by fear, that is going to affect our ability to deal with the problem. We are not going to think rationally. We are not going to think properly about the situation. So when something bad happens, it is important to take a step back and not react with fear. Don't panic. Don't struggle. Take a step back, take a breath, and deal with the action in the most sensible way you can. Because otherwise, you are going to go from one disaster to another disaster to another disaster. But if you don't fear in the moment, if you don't panic, and you don't lose yourself to confusion, which sometimes something really bad can happen. I've had to do CPR on 2 people. If I become paralyzed with fear, somebody could die. That is a really, really dangerous thing. However, when it comes down to it, if you are able to face that fear, let it go through you, don't allow it to control you. The fear is not going to help you. It's not going to make things easier. It is going to make it so that you cannot focus on the things you need to do in the moment when you are needed most. When your clarity of thought is needed the most, you need to be there, you need to be present. So rather than panicking immediately, take a moment to center yourself and deal with the situation as rationally as you possibly can. If something bad happens from the outside, something horrible or scary, like say your business is attacked by someone verbally, don't respond immediately. Take time, respond to it. If there is a fire, take a breath, grab your fire extinguisher, deal with it. The fact of the matter is, if you can deal with that fear and deal with the situation in a calm and concise manner, you are less likely to make things worse and you're more likely to be able to deal with things well. Anyway, I know this is a bit of a weird one, but hopefully it helps. And if you've not read it before, I highly recommend checking out Dune.